guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. I cannot believe we're already at that time again where we're trying to figure out what to get people for gifts, especially if you're trying to get something for that fitness enthusiast or someone you're trying to push towards the whole fitness thing. So in no particular order, I have my top 4 that I would love to have, or that someone else I think would appreciate. First, any type of fitness tracker. I love the Fitbit. I know everyone else in the world probably has an Apple Watch and that's their thing. I'm so stuck on my Fitbit that I can't shake it. But the cool thing about a fitness tracker is it tracks your steps, your calories, your workouts, and it helps you really set a goal and to challenge yourself and stay on top of it. The next thing is a category, I'm just gonna call it the 3 B's, right? So the first one, bands. Any kind of resistance band, the flat ones, the ones with the handles, just some kind of resistance bands that you can take any and everywhere with you. Bells, dumbbells, kettlebells, resistance training, awesome to have. And the last one is balls, any kind of ball, medicine ball, stability ball, yoga ball, all those things are awesome as a gift for someone that you're just trying to be like, hey, here's something you can use, here's something to get you started. The third thing is definitely a Ninja. Now this depends on what kind of money you're trying to spend on whoever, right? The Ninja is awesome. I love it for my smoothies. That's like the main thing that I use it for is smoothies. So that's another awesome gift to get someone. Last but not least is Live Good supplements. Live Good. And I'm not just saying it because I rock with them so hard, but a Live Good membership or Live Good supplements. Their products are so awesome. High quality, but low price. So those 4 things right there are awesome, awesome gifts to get someone that you're trying to encourage or that you know, be like, hey, they would love this because this is what they do. I'll definitely put a link, Amazon links for bands, balls, the Ninja, and I'll put a link to Live Good products, Live Good opportunity, all that stuff. So just wanted to share my top 4 picks for gifts for fitness enthusiasts or someone you're trying to get to get on board, get on that path or whatever. All right, guys, so be sure to subscribe and talk to you next time. Bye.